Rome is the perfect place to join unique workshops and classes. Learn new techniques in photography, painting and more, while enjoying an enriching educational experience. Rome, pasta, and tiramisu Italian cooking class. Prepare yourself for an unforgettable culinary journey. Your class commences with a delightful welcome, served by a glass of exquisite Prosecco. Upon introduction to your esteemed instructor and fellow participants, the tantalizing aroma of tiramisu wafts through the air, setting the stage for a delectable Italian gastronomic adventure. In the heart of our workshop, the master chef meticulously guides you through the creation of authentic Italian pastas. With freshly sourced ingredients at hand, you embark on a transformative process, kneading the dough, rolling out sheets, shaping them into elegant fettuccine, and cutting them precisely. Each step is carefully observed, ensuring precision and authenticity. Simultaneously, the simmering pot brings the pasta to life, slowly transforming its raw form into a tender masterpiece. Meanwhile, your hands dance gracefully over the stovetop, blending flavors and textures with unparalleled skill. As each dish emerges from the cauldron, the anticipation builds, culminating in a symphony of flavors that resonate across the senses. Throughout the proceedings, savor the aromas that fill the room, a harmonious blend of herbs, spices, and sauces that transport you back to Italy's ancient kitchens. Your instructor shares invaluable insights, imparting techniques and tips that elevate your understanding of Italian cuisine to unprecedented heights. As the evening unfolds, the kitchen transforms into a vibrant hub of activity, where the sounds of stirring pots and clinking utensils mingle with laughter and camaraderie. The pièce de résistance arrives when you gather around the table, surrounded by aromatic dishes and a rich tapestry of conversation. You sink into your seats, enveloped in the comforting embrace of a glass of local wine, and indulge in the satisfaction of having crafted something truly special. The night concludes with a final flourish, as you savor a glass of limoncello, allowing the essence of the Mediterranean to linger on your palate. This memorable experience leaves you with a profound appreciation for the artistry behind every plate, and a cherished collection of recipes that will forever remind you of the joyous journey you've embarked upon together. These culinary treasures, now encapsulated within a comprehensive ebook, serve as souvenirs of your illustrious experience. They will undoubtedly inspire you to share this newfound passion with loved ones, creating lasting memories and fostering connections that transcend borders and cultures. Rome, 5 Shapes of Pasta Cooking Class with Meal. In collaboration with the renowned Antica Osteria established during the latter half of the 19th century, and now serving as a culinary academy, we invite you to embark on a gastronomic journey through time. Under the watchful eye of our esteemed chef, we will meticulously craft 5 distinct varieties of fresh pasta: linguine, tagliatelle, pappardelle, rigatoni, and gnocchi. The creation process commences with the application of the artisanal rolling technique, utilizing a high-quality, precision-grade rolling pin. Following this, we adhere to stringent safety protocols for food handling throughout every stage of the production process, ensuring the highest standards of hygiene and quality. Our culinary team will prepare 2 unique and innovative sauces specifically designed by the chef, carefully crafted to complement each type of pasta. These sauces will be served alongside freshly baked bread and accompanied by a selection of local cheeses, paired with crisp Prosecco, enhancing the overall dining experience. Throughout the meal, guests will delight in the delightful textures and flavors of these handmade pastas, including the tender al dente linguine, the delicate tagliatelle, the hearty rigatoni, the rich pappardelle, and the flaky gnocchi. Each dish will be expertly prepared and presented to showcase its authentic taste and craftsmanship. As part of the comprehensive menu, a decadent dessert consisting of an express tiramisu awaits. This indulgent treat, combined with the robust flavors of our handcrafted pasta dishes, completes the sensory. To honor our commitment to excellence, the restaurant has achieved Fettuccine for food hygiene and safety, ensuring that all aspects of the dining experience meet the strictest standards set forth by regulatory bodies. For all attendees, we offer complimentary access to the exclusive professional chef hat, emblazoned with our brand's logo, Fani, symbolizing our dedication to culinary education and appreciation. Rome, Christmas Spritz and Spaghetti Cooking Class. Experience the joyous spirit of Christmas through authentic Italian culinary traditions at our exclusive class. Join us in Rome for a memorable 3-hour session, where you will embark on a delightful journey into the heart of Italian cuisine. This class promises an unparalleled learning experience under the guidance of a skilled local chef, who will share invaluable insights into the origins and techniques behind classic Italian dishes. We kick things off with the quintessential Italian cocktail, the April Spritz, which serves as both a social lubricant and an introduction to the festivities ahead. Following the lively introductions, we move on to mastering the art of preparing homemade pasta. Under the watchful eye of our instructor, you'll transform simple flour and water into mouth-watering delicacies, each meticulously crafted to perfection. This process culminates in the creation of a robust carbonara, or creamy cacio e pepe sauce, ensuring every dish is a testament to the rich flavors of Italy. As you work diligently in the bustling kitchen, savor a refreshing Campari Spritz, enhancing your appreciation for the exquisite balance of flavors in Italian gastronomy. Your efforts are rewarded with a delectable limoncello Spritz to conclude your culinary adventure, leaving you feeling refreshed and satisfied. The day will come to a close with a festive celebration, allowing you to indulge in the fruits of your labor while bonding over shared laughter and memories. Whether you're celebrating with loved ones or simply looking for a special occasion, this class offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the warmth and hospitality of Italian culture. Don't miss out on this unforgettable experience. Join us today for a taste of the Eternal City and its timeless culinary delights. Rome, 3-in-1 Fettuccine, Ravioli and Tiramisu Cooking Class. Enhance your culinary skills during your stay in Rome by mastering the preparation of both classic Italian pastas and dessert favorites. Begin your lessons by crafting a delectable tiramisu, followed by the creation of 2 distinct varieties, Ravioli and Fettuccine. Under the guidance of an experienced instructor, delve into the intricacies of making perfect pasta dough, ensuring its suitability for different seasons through strategic ingredient choices. As your cooking journey progresses, indulge in a celebratory dinner at the conclusion of the workshop. Enjoy a glass of wine alongside your freshly prepared pasta dishes, meticulously paired with sauces suited to the current season. Savor the exquisite flavors of your creations as they are complemented by a generous serving of tiramisu. Rome, traditional pasta with cocktails Drunken Cooking Class. Experience an unforgettable culinary adventure at our Drunken Cooking Class, set amidst the vibrant streets of Rome. This unique workshop combines the finest elements of Roman cuisine and drink culture, ensuring an immersive learning experience. Participants will indulge in traditional cocktails such as the Spritz, dating back to the early 19th century, alongside authentic Italian wines and spirits. Our expert instructor will guide you through the creation of 3 iconic Italian spritzes, April, Campari, and Limoncello, and teach you the art of making classic Italian pastas and sauces. You'll have the opportunity to experiment with different recipes under their tutelage, perfecting techniques along the way. After mastering the basics, gather with fellow food enthusiasts for a delectable meal prepared by our skilled chef. Each dish will feature ingredients sourced from local markets, ensuring a true taste of Rome. Enjoy your culinary journey with a final round of refreshing spritzes and conclude the evening with a moment of relaxation and shared laughter. Experience Rome's culinary magic firsthand at our Drunken cooking class. Rome. Pasta making with wine tasting and dinner in Frascati. Are you seeking an extraordinary experience in Rome? Here we are. A Roman family residing in Frascati, eager to welcome you. Depart from the bustling metropolis of Rome and immerse yourself in the serene ambiance of Frascati, known as the City of Wine. Your journey commences aboard a scenic train, allowing you to appreciate the picturesque landscapes of Rome. Upon arrival in Frascati, we will pick you up from the railway station and guide you through the charming streets, sharing insights into the local culture and traditions. Our next destination is our historic wine cellar, where our family has been cultivating grapes for generations. Here, we will introduce you to our exquisite wines, paired with delectable local meats and cheeses. After enjoying these delicacies, we prepare all the essential ingredients needed to make authentic pasta, ensuring every detail is meticulously crafted by hand. As you knead and mix the dough, accompanied by a glass of wine, you'll transform into a master chef crafting your very own pasta masterpiece. The pièce de résistance awaits. Your pasta dish, prepared with your favorite Roman sauce, served alongside your choice of wine. This culinary adventure concludes with relaxation at our cozy wine cellar, where you'll revel in the rich history and craftsmanship behind each bottle. This evening, don't miss the opportunity to explore our wine caves, guided by us, to discover hidden treasures within our aging vineyards. We invite you to witness firsthand how our family's passion for wine has shaped this unique heritage over the years. Join us tonight. Let the magic of Frascati unfold and create unforgettable memories filled with flavors and stories. Rome, Pasta and Tiramisu Cooking Class in Piazza Navona. Italy would lose much of its essence without pasta or tiramisu. Experience the creation process of pasta and tiramisu within the heart of Rome, specifically at Piazza Navona, one of the most iconic squares in the city. Participate in our Fettuccine making cooking class in Rome and uncover the hidden gems behind the Italian pasta tradition. Our culinary instructor guides you through the intricate steps of crafting authentic Italian pasta, allowing you to bring this artistry into your daily kitchen. Following the pasta lesson, delve into the world of desserts with our delightful tiramisu class. Learn the secret ingredients and techniques required for an exceptional taste sensation. Next, immerse yourself in the luxurious atmosphere of our restaurant located within the picturesque setting of Piazza Navona. Enjoy an exquisite meal crafted from the finest ingredients, including the freshly made fettuccine pasta, accompanied by a variety of sauces to choose from. Our dining experience continues with a selection of traditional Roman appetizers like bruschetta, paired with complimentary beverages during your class. Finally, join fellow travelers, families, solo adventurers, and friends in sharing stories and creating lasting memories. Step out of your comfort zone and discover Italy's hidden treasures through our unique cooking classes. Book now and let the flavors of Italy take you on a journey through the streets of Rome.